So hello guys. So today I'm going to research and see about what is Google Earth and what are the features in it and what we will see in here. So here we are in South America. First we will see our country India here. As we zoom in here we can see different states and we'll choose Karnataka and here we can see many cities. Go into Mysore. And here we can see many areas in here, so it is like a Google Maps but in a shape of a globe. Here it is in a 2D mode. We'll now go in 3D mode. So now we can see in a flat way and it is actually revolving around a particular areas, and whether I can actually see the here blue are the watermarks, the very famous Brindavan Gardens. So these are the satellite images of our country India. Here we can see that Himalayas, which are in actually white, dark green color. The dark green actually resembles some of the forest below the foothills of Himalayas. Here we can see the Western Ghats, the thick forest range. And here we can see the Thar Desert. So the satellite images are the ones which are providing the information to us that. So guys, here we can also find the information about a particular city. If I click here for Bengaluru, here the information is being given that Bengaluru is the capital of Indian state of Karnataka. And here we can actually click for more information. Here the picture is given and here the information is given that it is an IT city. It also has some of famous places like Kaban Park, Vidhan Sada, etc. So here are other particular cities like Chennai, Hyderabad, Mumbai, in which it shows and points of interest. Especially it can be helpful for tourists. Lal Bagh, Bengaluru Palace, Pannerghatta National Park, Kabban Park, etc. So when I click this icon, it actually showed the map style you wanted to see for you to see here. If I click clean, then there will be no borders, no mentioning of cities, etc. Exploration is as simple as we saw before. We will see country, and as we zoom in, we will see more and more cities, its areas, its states, etc. And here, if everything, then we can see even roads. We are seeing some roads here in Africa, the white lines, roads, etc. And the custom. Here we can actually make, if we want borders, we can actually click it to make, if you want places. And if you don't want, you can again click to make it nil. So this is about a mapping style of Google Earth. So when I click this icon, this is about a time lapse in Google Earth. That is, it shows the development of the area from 1984 to present. And here first we will see the nature wise. Here there are options like Tokyo's heat island effect, the changing forest, fragile beauty, sources of energy, urban expansion, warming planet, safeguarding iconic parks, etc., wildlife of Africa. First, we will see the changing forest and we see that how it occurs. So now we are going to Amazon forest in Brazil. It is coming a little bit dull here, but yeah, now we first start from 1984. Here we can see that forests are a little bit decreasing. A farm type plantation is increasing one by one, and when it comes to 2000 and 2010s onwards, the forest actually decreases and it is in very sad state now. Compared from 1984 to present, we can see a lot of difference here. So now let us see the wildlife of Africa. We put explore now, and now we are in South Africa. Here we can see the icon. Wait. Yes, we are in South Africa, and here we can see National Park, the Elephant Park in South Africa. It is actually in Mozambique, linking Mozambique and Zululand in South Africa. And it is near South Africa border. So now we will go to next national park. It is going to Tau Water Hole. It is also in Botswana, in northern border of South Africa, and it is also actually famous for elephant and giraffe. Here we can see the images, and we can Nkoro Bush Lodge. It is actually located in South Africa. So South Africa is actually a hub of many national wildlife parks. We'll see that how many are there the showcasing here. Four are near South Africa, but in borders of South Africa and Botswana, Mozambique, etc. One is in Kenya, another is actually in I think Zaire, Belgium, Congo, Gorilla Forest Corridor, famous for gorillas. Yes, it is in actually Congo, Democratic Republic of Congo. So guys, now we'll check what is Tokyo's heat island effect. We'll see in Google Earth. And so here we can see the map of a Tokyo in a 3D format, and here the information is given at what is Tokyo heat wave. It has been given as since 1900 the temperature of Tokyo has increased dramatically, and they are saying that actually attributes 1 degree Celsius after Tokyo's 3-degree increase to climate change, which is actually very high. Here we can see the geographical area of Tokyo. So here if you go, it is actually expanding Tokyo green areas. Here we can see the information. One of the most common measures to control heat island effect is to expand urban green. It is actually true. To reduce the heat effect in Tokyo, they're actually expanding the green areas in the cities, and it is actually a government order. So here the another way the Japanese are trying to reduce the heat wave is creating the wind channels. Here we can see the large area where the wind can flow into the main areas. So guys, here we are going to see the global warming effect on the Columbia Glacier, which is situated in Alaska. We'll see from 1984 to till present that how much changes have happened. So here the years are passing, and here we can see the glaciers are melting as the years pass on. And here we can see after I think the time of 2006, 2005, 2004 time that this whole part of glacier actually melts down, and and around after 2015 right here, and we can say present that this much of glacier has been melted. You can see the changes from 1980s to present, how the global warming has affected so much. This is about a Google Earth. We can see many features, many. Here we can see fragile beauty. I think according to time lapse, it will see that how an island changes. We can see many things here. Safeguarding iconic parks, the wildlife of Africa, raptors of Montana, the Mars on Earth, landform from space. So many things we can see in Google Earth. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you.